the guardians of green?
Us!
Nature is a set of systems, processes, things, events, and phenomena that exist independently of humans. We have 150 types of nature, and forest is one of them.
Do you know how many types of forests we have in the world? There are 8 types of forests, which are tropical rainforest, subtropical forests, boreal forest, temperate forest,
Mountain forest, cloud forest,
Mediterranean forest, and mangrove forest. Why we have so many different types of forests? Each forest type hosts a diverse area of flora and fauna, some are which are endemic to specific ecosystem. This diversity is essential for developing target conservation strategies aimed at protecting these biodiversity hotspots.
They also have varying capacities for carbon sequestration, and forests provide a wealth of resources, including timber, non-timber products, and medicinal plants.
They also provide the ecosystem services such as water filtration, soil stabilization, flood control, and pollination. Do you know that Malaysia's rainforest among the world's most diverse habitat a rich ecosystem supporting numerous plants and animal species? Oh, really?
Yes, with over 600 bird species and 15,000 plant species, including many unique to the region. Malaysian rainforests are biodiversity hotspots.
Currently, forests cover 55.3% of the country's land area, with significant portion designated as protected areas and reserves such as Taman Negara Pahang.
These forests provide not only ecological benefits, but also crucial resources like food, fiber, and medicine, forming an essential economic pillar for the nation.
Deforestation is one of the most threats to the forest. It's primarily driven to the expansion of agriculture to meet increasing demand and shifts in diet, notably toward greater meat consumption. Agriculture, including products like soya and palm oil, is the leading cause of deforestation worldwide. This not only results in loss of habitat, but also contributes to the biodiversity loss as many of the plants and animals that once lived there cannot survive the fragmentation of their habitats.
The conversion of forests into agricultural systems has led to a dramatic decline in wildlife populations. As per WWF report, discovered that the population of wildlife has declined by an average of 68% between 1970 and 2016.
Climate change is both a cause and effect of forest degradation. Forest fires, exacerbated by climate change, have become bigger, more intense, and more frequent, destroying millions of acres of forest annually.
Such fires not only alter the structure and composition of forests, but also contribute to increased greenhouse gas emissions, further accelerating climate change.
Let us save the forest by protecting those last remaining ancient forests. These precious places, undamaged by humans, still host their entire natural mix of species, young and old trees. These ancient forests need to remain standing forever.
As a guardian of green, our role is to use forests carefully by extracting wood and other products and valuing them as they are. By managing them well, we can work with the natural resistance to keep them standing.
We also have to farm trees just like we do with other crops and create a new generation of plantations, a plantation that allow wildlife to pass through natural forest corridor that benefit local community and economies.
Lastly, we have to make space for forests to return rewild. With simple acquisition, better farming, more forests could help nature to eradicate this global recreation. As the so-called guardians,
Recognizing the significance of forests
and taking concert action to protect them are of the utmost importance.